So hello and welcome to FL Mixologist, the place thingy where occasionally we have some pretty rare units as a project. Case in point, this Holley double pumper model 4160, and this is a very rare unit because it is the 800 CFM carburetor. That basically what this does, and I've explained it in a previous video about base plates that I did, is that this carb uses the 750 CFM base plate. So they are stamped the throttles are stamped 172, but this is generally when you got this base plate, it's either 650 or 750. Those are the most common models, and these ones are very rare, and it's an 800 CFM models with 172 throttles. The next one up is the 850, which has larger throttle plates than this one. So this is what makes this carb rather special. So I'll show you kind of closer the condition it's in, which is not insanely great, but we'll get it to live again. So as you can see, this unit is in as found condition. And I don't know if you noticed already, but the fuel bolts are switched around because the inlet should be on the other side. This unit has the idle mixture, so therefore this should be here and this one should be there. But apart from that, I think this unit is in quite relatively good condition in order to kind of make a start for a project. So what I need to do now, an initial disassembly diagnostic, see where we are with this unit, and then start the cleaning process and reassemble it. Okay, so now I've finished the disassembly of the unit. And I'm going to bring you here closer by so you can have a look. Now, if you look here, you might see that this looks really bad, but actually, dare I say, the older the carb is, this 26, this could be a 66 even, and I need to check that date code stamped in there. But this unit, generally speaking, the older the carbs, the better they come back around for you. So I know this looks very mucky, very dirty, but actually, as you can see, once I go through the cleaning process and I start, turning these units back around, that they're gonna come up really good. I have a good feeling about this. Obviously, I haven't checked the jetting and everything, and this carb had 2 power valves, so I might have to do a little bit of gymnastics there when I come to assemble the carb back again. But other than that, this unit is looking good, even though it doesn't look cosmetically very good. I'm very hopeful about what I'm seeing. So let's start the cleaning process. For this one, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean them with soapy water first, and then I'm gonna put it on the ultrasonic cleaner so that it's not the first clean that it gets. So you do need the notched floats as they are here, so that it doesn't interfere with the power valves like so here and here. So that's why it's important to have this sort of floats when you've got double pumpers. Now, why it took me so long to get all the parts? Well, it's very simple, because in the secondary it requires an 85 power valve, so I had to kind of order it from the States, and that's why it took quite a bit long to get here. The other thing I have to do, obviously, is make this repair here for the vent tube, so that it can vent out properly, because it was broken when it came, but now it's all good. It's at the tube, and its integrity is okay. So now what I need to do is I need to build this unit up quickly, and I'll show you the end result. So here it is, the double pumper, one double pumper kind of all its glory, kind of ready to hit the road, ready to be installed in a car. Now, one of the things that I need to clarify about double pumpers is that they tend to have a little bit of a kind of bad rap about their fuel economy or lack thereof. Now you remember earlier I said that the jetting was 76 with the power valves. This carb is engineered to produce an overall lean condition at high loads, high RPM, wide open throttle. So if you're just running through town and that kind of stuff, it's gonna seem that this carb is too rich, but actually if you use it like it's meant to be used, which is kind of wide open throttle, and this kind of a racing carb really, that's where you're gonna find out that the mixture starts leaning out at high RPM. So I just want to kind of clarify that this is a kind of the way these carbs are designed to be. So hope you enjoyed this episode. I mean, if you've got any questions or anything, just please pop it down in the comments and I'll try to respond as soon as I can. But thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode.